Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are at the moment in a parking lot in Fife and we are heading to
Scrabster. Scrabster.
Which is very north of Scotland, as far as you can go. And Calum has an ongoing project, documentary project. Do you want to tell us a bit about it?
Started the documentary project, well, it probably started 2 years ago, but I went on a fishing boat west of Orkney on the Caledonia 2, and I was photographing the skipper and his Filipino crew. There's about 1,000 Filipinos working in the Scottish fishing industry, so I wanted to look at that. Today we're just going to go up to Scrabster, meet the guys when they come back in the boat. I'll take some more pictures, some more portraits. Roksana's going to help us out with the portraits.
Teach you how to do
portrait,
it, yes.
And just really catch up with the guys and you know, see how they're getting on with the new boat, Caledonia 3. If you had seen the photos before, you'd have seen there's just a lot of like crashing waves and guys holding on for dear life and me holding on for dear life because it was pretty stormy, but we need to get some more images that are just not so, you know, exciting.
Dramatic.
Yeah, and obviously we can take some pictures on the way, some landscapes and some portraits for the Roksana, the pretty one.
This face.
Yes.
Okay. See you. We've been stuck in the traffic for 15 minutes. Probably there's some ship on the road.